Yo, Aaron. Yo, Aaron.
Alright. What about this house?
That house? Hey, let's do it. Let's do it. Alright, hey. Now we're gonna leave the camera here, and we're gonna knock it on this door.
Yeah, man. Good idea.
And we're gonna leave it here, and then we'll come back to get it later. Perfect. Okay. Alright, go, go. Knock. Knock. Hurry up, hurry up.
Honey, is your refrigerator running?
We better go catch it!